Hello fellow farmers, whoever viewing this video. This is to show you how palatable Pakchong 1 is to these farm animals. To dairy cows, Pakchong adds some good milk when given to a dairy cow. Pakchong 1 is a very nutritious feed to these dairy animals. See, the animals that feed on Pakchong, their body conditions is very good, simply because it's proven that it's 18% crude protein. That's why their body conditions is very good. To people in bull fattening, Pakchong is the best option you can take and supplement to your bulls. Every day they'll be adding some good weight. And Pakchong is a very nice feed. You can make silage out of it and preserve. Pakchong is very soft. That's why animals like it. The goats like it. That's why it's a very nice food I recommend farmers to be having at the farm. Thank you. Buy cuttings.